Good day everyone, I am from ABS support team. Today I will showcase how to deal with no-show with advanced deposit or payment. To do this, first go to the home page and at the General section click Reservation. Then, click View Reservations. Find the reservation by choosing the date and remember to check no-show reservations. Find the reservation and click I to view the guest information. Click Payments to check the transactions. If the guest already paid, refund the payment to the guest and make sure to post the payout amount here. After that, close the payment page and click Cancel Reservation. Enter the code shown on the screen to continue. Thank you and I hope you've learnt something from this tutorial video.